Hi everyone, today I will show you how to record the script in Badboy tool. Okay, how to record the script in Badboy tool. Okay, this is the sample application URL. How to record the script in Badboy tool, and this is the basic testing application URL. Okay, this application only, the JPEG store only I record. Okay, now I will show you how we need to do. Okay, yeah, this is the Badboy. Today I will show you what are the options, how we need to do. Okay, first one, this is the Badboy tool. Okay, this is the look like that application, sorry, the tool, components, way of recording, way of application, showing all the things. Okay, okay, there is a menu. First one, file, edit, view, tools, preferences and help. And first one is the new one. You need to create the new script, anything new. After open, it's a save, it cut, it's a copy one, paste, print is about what is that one you can told. Create new suit means how is the test suit na, same only new suit will be created. New test, this one test na, new test will be created. New step, this way steps will be created. This is recording on and off both. Once you click on recording, recording will become. This is stop playing. Okay, specific request. Play directly will played the specific request. Play all the request will be played. That even reverse back and play single request. Any specific request only you need to execute now. You can use this one. Toggle record mode. You can any one by one you need to execute now. That time you can use. It's a screen capture. Capture the form and create easy assertion. Anything you need to assertion you need to add na verification purpose. That time create variable shutter from selected and view timing reporting will be showed and toggle browser auto resynchronization on and off. Okay, this is general options. After you can go to the file, there is a option same only new, open, save as, export, response times. The response times only need to export, otherwise directly export to jmeter. The script is saved to .jmx format. After script properties, up to print setup, reset file and exit. After go to the edit. It's a common undo, redo, cut, copy, paste, search, replace. View, there is a toolbar, status bar, browser bar, script tree, problem, annotation, summary view, cookie, report, save log files, DOM window, variables, tools, toggle view on and off, show all views and synchronization content. Go to the tools. This is the important options. You have any idea about from the JMeter tool what are the elements available? You can easily understand this one. Create a hostname variable, run background threads, data source, attachment variable sources, create clear responses, reload style sheet, reload template, capture screenshot, edit current page source, edit and monitor page source, add assertion for selection, add inverse assertion, add variable setter for selection, schedule execution, go to preferences. This important one, help is content, tutorial, enter license key, check for updates and about. Preference is it's a big topic for anywhere, not only this tool, load runner also. It's a general, you can provide the start page location will be provided, summary view, which place you need to store that one, URL history, you can clear or anything, this URL history only. undo levels, recent files, the remaining general properties. Preferred root item, suit test step. This format only will execute it. Suit test step. Okay. After playing this all the formats, but it's not required. This one. Program text editor viewer, you will provide the browser location, and the difference program anything you can provide the browser and you can provide the location. After that report is directly need to send it, that programs everything email, you need to set up the server, SMTP server and address, and display the name. Recording options, it's important. Default recording mode, request mode, navigation mode. Default request mode only. Options, record JavaScript request, record passive navigation, record XML HTTP request, request as a top level request, automatically mask generated IDs, form field name, wait 500 milliseconds for activity when recording passive navigation, maximum in-memory response capture, its big size will be provided. Filter record, you can provide the navigation expression level. Variables is based on what type of request you captured. Example, there is a where JSession ID. JSession ID is equal to, how we need to correlate it, dot plus question mark or dot star question mark, or you can see 0 minus 9, capital A minus capital Z, small a minus capital Z. You can provide the square brackets after provide the normal brackets. JSession ID is equal to. That's the way you need to correlate. You can give the view statement. This way you need to, how we need to correlate it. You can see, first of all, open the square bracket. There is a cap symbol and double colon. Close the square bracket. After the normal brackets, based on the how the dynamic value will be able to come. That is the regular expressions. You need to handle the dynamic values. You have that the concept is different. After I will explain that one. After developer settings, location where document source are stored. Okay, storing location only. Server log, file location, you need to provide that one. It's a general logging only. Location, enable logging, log threads, debug, info error, message logs. Okay, these are the general options. Now you need to record the script. You need to take the this one, provided displays URL. Okay, click on that one, automatically the page will be loaded. This is the JPEG store application. Okay, now you need to click on this one, recording. You can see the recording will become, you can click on enter one more time. You can see the request will be came. Okay, you can perform the operations. You first of all you need to sign on. This one username is default one, J2E. You can provide username and password. Click on login. Click on fish. You can select any one option. Product, add to cart, proceed to checkout, continue, confirm the order. Yeah, it's done, that one. Okay, you can sign out. Okay, this process is continued. Okay, this is general options. You can go to preferences. There is nothing else. You will do one thing, you can stop the recording. You can go to check run. There is no any context options only will be showing. On tools, there is so many types of tools available. Tools means what are the things you used, same only. Assertion, navigation, request, timer, window control, aggregate, script, test, manual review, test suite, thread control, spider, form populator, step, save item, cookie killer, JavaScript, mouse click, variable shutter, screenshot, message box, send email, download handle, external item, scheduler item, data source, key item, parameter, plus plus increment. And graphs, there is no any graphs. Variables also same. Variables means you can see $JSession ID. JSession ID. It's a Java application. At the same time, this is the dynamic value. You can see dynamic value will be showing this place. Okay, I will show you what are the values is there. This is the first dynamic value. It's automatically correlated this one. It did not showing anything. Directly will be stored. After summary, played 10 seconds, succeeded. Sorry, played 10, succeeded 10, Failed 0, average response time 374 means 0.3 seconds. Maximum time is 501 means 0 0.5 seconds. There is no session warning timeouts. Okay, now what you need to do now, you can take this one large level. I will show you what I need to do. You need to check this way. That time only you able to understand for a learning stage. You can open the every request. Learning time only. Once you have experience for the practical knowledge, you are able to do yourself only easily. Okay. First of all, this is the script. This is the test suite and test and step. This is the first request and response. Success only green color will become. 325 milliseconds will be taken. You need to capture the request and response. And second one, this is the dynamic value. J session ID is equal to, it's automatically correlated system only. And response and response one, how much time will be taken after sign on the form. Action, account action, sub request, action, catalog action, response. You can provide the login application, username, password, sign on login. And source page, this is a one dynamic value. Remember, you can see just a minute. Okay, you will see source page is a dynamic value. Underscore FP, this is also dynamic value. After catalog section, response view category ID fish, action, catalog action, response view product is equal to the, okay, action, cart dot action, response add item to cart, working item est1, action order action, respond add item to cart, working id est1, action order action, response new order form, action order section, response you will provide the billing details, order, card type, credit card, expiry date, bill form, first name, last name, address 1 or 2, city, state, zip, country, continue. You can see next time source page underscore p. This is also dynamic values. In action order, response, new orders, confirmed underscore true, action account section, sub request, and action catalog section, response, sign off. Okay, this is the entire script. Okay, script recording is now completed in the Badboy tool. Okay, now what you need to do now, first of all you need to export it to the script to JMeter, means JMX format. Okay, go to the file, export to JMeter. JPEG store underscore 1 you need to provide. Okay, you can go and check it one time. Yeah, it's already came. Okay, how the script will be executed now? You can click on this one, play all the request. You can click on it's executed, that one. First page and login page, and go to the fish and unlock fish, after shopping cart, after continue, after confirm and sign out. Yeah, this is the way the page will be executed. Anything something request is did not capture to the in JMeter, no? That time you can use the Badboy tool. This is also very helpful. Okay, this side will completed. Now you need to go to the JMeter, go to the file, go to the open, and you can select the JPEG store underscore 1.jmx. This is our script. You need to open the thread and open. All the request will become, add the view results tree. Okay, you can open that one. You can see all the request available now. Go to J session. It's also correlated. That time you can go to the user defined J session ID. It's a dynamic value. This is the dynamic value. Okay, view state is not there, but J session ID is there. It's the first dynamic value. After go, the underscore source page underscore fp, this is also two dynamic values. This username password. After fsid is fish order forms, and there is another two dynamic values, same only. After sign up the page. Okay, now you need to execute it. It's already saved one only. You can see the request is executed now. Okay, the request everything is executed. This one failed means there is a, you can see the JSession ID, it's a dynamic value. I am not correlated, that reason only failed. Okay, once the correlation is done, it successfully work. Okay, this is the way you need to record the through Badboy script. Use Badboy tool used to, you need to record the script. The script you need to check everything to the in same tool only. The same script you need to execute it to the through JMeter. Okay, who are the performance testers you can use for the most of the peoples in Badboy and JMeter tools. Okay, yeah, that's all guys. This is the video for you need to how to record the script in Badboy tool. Okay, thank you very much, and I will connect to the next video. Bye.